All right, in this one I'm going to show you the process of how we clean them before priming. So we do have an air compressor. You don't have to have an air compressor. You can just dust them off and get as much of the bulky particles off from sanding as you can. Press is great because it really gets in the cracks and cleans it up nicely. And then after we get that big stuff off, we have a damp rag, and then we wipe the damp rag over the cabinet door to get any smaller particles and really get it clean from any contaminants. So when we spray it, it's going to be clean of any debris, lint, or anything. And if you let your cabinets sit for a period of time, if you don't spray them right away, you may want to go back and wipe them down with a damp rag. So say you get them cleaned up, but then you go, I'm going to take a lunch break or something. You're going to want to come back and wipe them because there's particles in the air that float down on it automatically from even if you're indoors or whatever. So it's just a good habit to be into, to always wipe down just before you spray. So as soon as we get this done, we're going to jump right back into spraying, and that's the way I do it. And it works great for me anyway. All right. Take care. We'll talk to you next time.